Welcome back. Antibiotics are chemicals produced by microbes that kill other microbes. Yes. For example, penicillin is produced by Penicillium, which is fungus, and it kills bacteria Staphylococcus. So this statement is correct. Antibodies are chemicals. Antibodies are proteins, but proteins are eventually chemicals. So this is right. Formed in body, correct. Immune system produces it. B cells that eliminate microbes, correct. So both the statements are correct. Option 3 is the answer. So regarding antibodies, these are the key points. Each antibody has two chains. It is represented as H2L2. Heavy chains are long and light chains are small. And there are total 4 chains, 2 heavy and 2 light chains. These are the different types of antibodies: IgA, IgM, IgE, IgG. Because these antibodies are found in the blood, the response is called humoral immune response. Antibodies are soluble proteins, and this is the reason this immunity is called humoral immunity. This is the structure of antibody. Where do you see the variable region? It is over here. The antigen binding sites are variable region. Antigen binding site, it determines the specificity of the antibody. So this part of both heavy and light chains are variable regions. Again, this part is the variable region. The orange part is called the constant region of heavy chain. The red one is called the constant region of light chain. When we classify antibodies as IgA, IgG, IgM, IgD, we are talking about this part of antibody. This part determines the class of antibody. And it also determines the function of antibody, which particular effector response will be triggered by antibody, whether it will stimulate the complement system or the NK cells. So this is how antibodies actually look like. Okay, they are globular proteins.